This grammar trap looks easy, but most people fail this quiz in under 10 seconds. Here we have whole and all. Both of them refer to an entire amount, but they are used differently in English grammar. Whole is used for singular, countable noun. Before whole, we use the, a, this, my, etc. For example, we say the whole, anything. It is also used with time words. For example, day, week, and so on. When it goes with time words, we put article the before it. We say the whole, day, or the whole week. All is used before plural nouns. And uncountable nouns. After the word all, we use the, my, these, etc. We say all, the, anything. Before time words, we use all. For example, night, year, and so on. And article the doesn't go with the. For example, we say all night or all year, not all the night or all the year. Now, using this information, we are going to answer this quiz. Number 1. She ate blank cake by herself. Which one is correct, whole or all? Here the keyword is cake. It doesn't have plural s, so it's singular, and we know that it is a countable noun. Here we said for singular countable nouns, we use whole. We say she ate whole cake by herself. But here we said before whole, we use the, a, this, my, and so on. For example, here we say the whole cake. She ate the whole cake by herself. Number 2. I worked blank day yesterday. We will answer this question at the end of the quiz. Number 3. He read blank book in one evening. Whole or all? Which one is correct? Here again the keyword is book. We know that it's singular and countable noun. We said for singular countable noun, we use whole. So we say he read whole book in one evening, but here we said before whole we need the, this, my. So we say he read the whole book in one evening. Number 4. Blank the students passed the exam. Which one is your answer, whole or all? Here the keyword is students. We see that it has a plural s. So it's a plural noun. And here we said for plural nouns we use all. So the answer is all. Moreover, here we have another keyword, the. Here we said after all we use the, my, these, etc. So using this we can understand the answer is all. Number 5. She stayed home the blank night. Here the keyword is night, and we know that it's a time word. So the answer could be whole and all both. Here we have the, and here we said when we use whole with time words, we must use article the before. So using this, we understand that the answer is whole, not all. We say she stayed home the whole night. Number 6. They spent blank money on clothes. Here the keyword is money, and we know that it's an uncountable noun. For uncountable nouns, we use all. We say they spent all money on clothes. But here we said, after all, we must use something like article the, or for example, my. Here we can say they spent all their money on clothes. Number 7. I was busy blank week. We know that week is a time word. So both of them could be used. But here we can see article the. And here we said when there is no article before a time word, we use all. We say I was busy all week. Number 8. He cleaned the blank house alone. Here the keyword is house, and it doesn't go with plural s. So it is singular, and we know that it's countable noun. For singular countable nouns, we use whole. We say he cleaned the whole house alone. Now let's answer question 2. I worked blank day yesterday. What is it, and which one is the answer, whole or all? Let me know in the comments. Here we have the word house. To learn more about its difference with home, watch the next video. If this quiz helped you, hit like and subscribe for daily English upgrades.